Hi everyone. I wanted to show you something related to an interesting adventure that I recently had. So I just moved down to Winston, Oregon from Sutherland, Oregon. And on the last trip of moving, I ended up driving in the left lane, and evidently a semi-truck just up ahead of me had a blowout, and there was a pickup truck in the right lane I wasn't able to get over, and I didn't see it in the dark in time to fully avoid the rubber carcass of that tire. I was able to swerve around it some, but it was partly in the right part of the lane and partly in the left part of the lane, so I did end up driving over it with both sides of the vehicle. Nothing much seemed to have happened except right down in here, you'll notice there's something missing. So that little gap right down in here should not be there. This little gap in here, that's where this plastic has ripped out, and what used to be in these holes was the air deflector sort of mud flap thing. So the good news is the plastic piece that the mud flap was ripped out of is just basically from here to here. It's not extremely expensive, but I am looking forward to getting that taken care of when I have my service, so more information to come. Seemed like, as far as I could see, everything else in the vehicle was fine, other than I did see some rubber marks on the lower portions of those rocker panel guards and that sort of thing, the other deflector mud flaps. But in any case, this vehicle was so nice to have for the moving process. I packed things into the bed of the truck more than I thought even possible to get in there, and it was really great. So in any case, you can see on this side the way that it's supposed to look with that deflector. Anyhow, I'm hoping to post an update after this video with how everything turned out, but I'm really pleased with the Maverick. It served me very well with the moving process, and even though I ended up not towing a trailer with it, even though I could have, turns out we had other better options that worked for us. The nice thing is it really was so nice to fill up this bed, have it covered over so that the wind wasn't blowing things around, and on top of that, to just fill up the passenger compartment, not like dangerously so, but to just really utilize that space, and I'm very happy with it. So yes, there was a little bit of an excitement down there with that piece, but everything else worked out. Thank God. The move is over, and I hope to get my service done and those replacement parts, and more updates to come. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.